Hey guys, it's Cookie here, and today I am going to show you how to make an intro. So first you just gotta get this app called, where is it? KineMaster. So I made an intro today. Let me just show you it. It's just really easy. It's really easy to make these intros. So first you're gonna want to press this red button here, and then go on media, and then photo, and then background, and then I'm just gonna choose a random one. I'm just gonna go on this one. Oh, and you asked me how I got the watermelon. It's one of my photos that I've took. So let me just go again. See the photo? You can just press on all, and then you can just choose a background from your photos. So I'm just gonna go for this one. And then you go on layer. Well, I forgot to say, first you have to record your animal dancing for like 5 or 10 seconds. Then go on layer media. Then go on video. Yeah, don't go on photos again. And go on recently added, because if you took it just now. So here's mine. This is mine. Wait 1 second. I gotta see if this is the right one. Yes, it is the right one. Okay. Now just shorten that down. There. Now look, it's very big, so it needs cropping. You don't have to make it very big yet. You don't have to make your animal big yet. Just crop that down. Okay, I think that's... Yeah, I just cut off its boots. Let me just redo. I need to... Okay, there. Just gotta get all that. Okay, there. So, now you've made it big, and you can just make it really as big as you want. And I'm gonna go for there. Then after that, press on it again, your thing, and then go on chroma key. So I would just enable. This goes on 0, and this goes on 99, and then you can just like mess around with it and wait until everything is gone. There. So I guess the perfect number is 63 and 36, because look, seriously, everything is gone. I'm just gonna have to edit my intro and do 63 and 36. Okay, so okay, sorry, I was speaking to my sister. Okay, so you've got that, but probably you want to put your name on. So go to text. So enter your username or your name of the YouTube channel. So Cookie Bloomer. There. I'm gonna just put it on side. No. I've got no idea where to put it. It's like, okay, maybe. There. Then if you want, you can just make the text different. I'm gonna just go for a random one. Go on your different text. Put your different text on. Okay. I'll just go again. I'm just random one. There we go. So, you see that? Maybe you want to shorten that down so you can just put subscribe in. Just gonna put only a little bit. And then, no. Go on text again on layer. Then subscribe. There.
Really?
Now that is going to go. So that is going to go right there, maybe a little bit space. And then on the other side where I want it. Oh no. Okay. Oh god. There? Okay. Now that you've got those in, I think it's perfect. Let's just... If you want, you can go on your first text and your second text and just go on overall animation, and you see it gives you lots of things your text can do. So I'm gonna go in it, overall animation. What is this? We're gonna go for drifting. And then subscribe. Oh dear, okay, that one's weird. We're gonna go for drifting again. So let's just check. Okay, so if you want to add audio, you should make your video without sound. Just go to settings and put back all your sound. Like, don't let your sound get on there. So if you want to add music, yeah. All right. Really, that's all. Bye guys.
Hello. Hey.